Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display both date and time in ninjaform in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our field. Now go to form builder. So we added date time and then you see add new action. So click on it and then you see date time. So we already added. Now click on done and then click on date time field. And then you see date time mode, drop down, you see date only, time only, both date and time. So you can select according to your requirement. Now select both date and time and then you see time setting, 24-hour input, minute increment. So you can set value according to your requirement and then click on done and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to ninjaform and refresh the page. Now you see both date and time field. Now select date and then you see 12-hour format. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.